In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register on Wayfair, whether you're looking to shop as a buyer or sell as a partner. Let's start with the buyer registration process, which is perfect if you're excited to discover a vast variety of furniture and home goods on Wayfair. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to wayfair.com. Alternatively, if you prefer shopping on your phone, you can download and install the Wayfair app from your app store. Once you're on the home page, right there at the top right corner, you'll see the option to sign in. Go ahead and click on that, then look for Create Account and select it. Now, you'll be prompted to enter some basic information, your name, email, and a password of your choice. Make sure this password is unique and secure to protect your account. Once you've filled these in, you also have the convenient option to sign up using your Google, Apple, or Facebook account. This can save you some time if you prefer not to create yet another account with a unique password. With all these steps completed, you're officially registered as a buyer on Wayfair. Enjoy exploring the massive selection of items, finding great deals, and making use of their fantastic delivery options. Next, let's shift gears to registering as a seller or partner on Wayfair if you're a business owner eager to reach new customers. To begin, navigate to the Wayfair Partner Portal by visiting partners.wayfair.com. Once there, you'll notice a prominent Apply Now button. Click that to get started with your application. The application process will require you to provide comprehensive details about your business. Be prepared to enter your contact information, details about your business, and important logistical information. This helps Wayfair evaluate your application fully and ensures that you meet all of the necessary criteria to be part of their partnership program. If your application is successful, and we hope it is, you'll gain access to Wayfair's Partner Portal. This is where the real action begins. You'll have the opportunity to upload your product catalog, including product images and pricing details. It's crucial to present your products in the best possible light to attract more customers. In addition, you will set up your shipping and fulfillment options. This step is essential to guarantee a seamless experience for Wayfair shoppers, ensuring that your products can be delivered efficiently and correctly to their new homes. With everything in place, you'll be all set to start selling to millions of eager Wayfair customers, growing your business and reaching a wider audience than ever before. And that's it! Whether you're shopping or selling, registering on Wayfair is a straightforward process that opens doors to wonderful opportunities. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.